हेलो गाइस, दिस इज कैवल अगेन। सो कैसे हो आप सब? होप आप सब बढ़िया हो गए। सो आज बहुत ही पवित्र दिन है गणेश चतुर्थी का, और मैं आज जा रहा हूँ गणपति दादा के दर्शन करने के लिए। और मैं यहाँ पे ओटावा में हूँ। ओटावा में हर साल गणपति दादा लाते हैं और बहुत ही बढ़िया कार्यक्रम होता है। सो आज मैं वही दादा के आशीर्वाद लेने जा रहा हूँ और आपको भी बताऊंगा कि कैसे यहाँ पे गणेश उत्सव सेलिब्रेशन होता है। तो स्टे ट्यून, दिस मी कैवल सा।
And Rangmanch Arts and Cultural Council. It's been great 6 years and we hope to continue for the next 60 at least. Here am I, sir.
Thank you very much. Thanks for time. Thank you, Jay, for inviting us. Thank you for congregating here. That we need to move our bilateral relation forward. We need to restart a few things which have not been doing well. And we need to start new things which may lead to a better bilateral relation. This is what...
Thank you, Your Excellency, for your words of wisdom. Long time friend. Ladies and gentlemen, Chandrakant Arya and Sangeeta Arya, Member of Parliament Chandrakant Arya, Honorable Chandrakant Arya, for a few words.
Namaskar, it's a great pleasure to be back here again. I would like to recognize and thank Monu Chedda and Jack Cooper, Guruji, and the team for hosting this event year after year. This is the 6th year in the Randi. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to you all. These are difficult times for the Hindu community in Canada, the world, from every single country in South Asia, from several countries in Africa, from countries in Caribbean like Guyana, Trinidad, as far as Fiji Islands. We have come Canada to our dear Canada. We have come all from all over the world. What started as the Hinduphobia on social media turned out to be next step of attacking the Hindu temples. So much so that now the Khalistanis are asking us, me and my friends Sunday Canadians, to go back to India. That is the current situation. In this situation, we have to be patient. We have to proudly call ourselves Hindu Canadians and proudly celebrate our Hindu festivals. And this Ganesh Chaturthi, this Ganesh Utsav is something that makes us feel proudly what we are and what we continue to be as Canadians. And recently I had visited several countries, including India. I met the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and discussed Canada-India relationship. Yes, the relationships are tough, but we need each other. India is a growing market for Canadian exports and Canadian investments, and India is a source for the key thing that we lack in Canada, the talent. India continues to be a major source of human manpower that we need here in Canada. I once again thank the team here for organizing this Ganesh Utsav and welcome me here year after year to be part of this great festival again. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Here as very close friends. Isn't that the best part of being in Canada? It's the best.
I stand here with Blair Turner, the Conservative for Ottawa South. And as we come together to celebrate the joyous festival,
we will have a Ramlala Pratama here on that stage tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. This second movement marks not only new Mangal Murti. Thank you, and I invite His Excellency and all the dignity and P. Chandra Arya, MPP Lisa McLeod to please come ahead and bar, and Mr. Turner to come help us inaugurate the festival. Thank you.
पुरवी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांनी सुंदर ओटीशे तुलाशी कंठी जळके माळ मुक्ता फळाची जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव रत्न खचित भर कुंकुम घेणारा हिरे जडित मुकुट शोभतो बरा जुळजुळती गोपुरे चरणी दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव लंबोदर पीतांबर फणीवर वंदना सगळे कोंड वक्र सुंदर श्रीलैला निर्वाणी वंदना जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे माता कामना पूर्ती जय देव दुर्गे दुर्गत भारी जगविण संसारी नाथ नाथे अंबे करुणा विस्तारी वारी वारी जन्म मरणाचे वादे माता पिता तुम शरण पडू मैं किसकी अभी शरण पडू मैं किसकी तुम बिना शरण दूजा प्रभु बिना आस करूं मैं किसकी ओ जय जगदीश हरे तुम पूर्ण परमात्मा तुम अंतर्यामी स्वामी तुम अंतर्यामी पार ब्रह्म मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया मंगल मूर्ती मोरया मी बाळ जाणे तुझीच सेवा करू काय जाणे अन्याय माझे कोट्यान कोटी मोरेश्वरा बाल तू बाल कोटी मंगलमूर्ती मोरया नवीन इकडे ओम यज्ञेन यज्ञमय जंत देवास्तान धर्माने प्रथमान्य देहनातम निमान सुतंतेला पूर्वे साध्या फुल गया